build a motorcycle that looked and felt really unique. Initially, nobody wanted to make a part for me. Nobody wanted to make a fuel tank. Nobody wanted to make a handlebar because I was asking for one fuel tank and I was asking for one handlebar. Who has time for that shit? And today, because I know that there's no outside source for any of these components, man, we've trained and built the team that puts together all of these things. The experience of being on a motorcycle, out there makes you one with the bike and the road and everything around you. You don't know how to do things right till you fail the first time. You don't know success till you see it with your entire team. We're not about power, we're not about performance. We're about the attitude to do with motorcycling.